Blanket felt for roller sublimation printing machine. Conveyor belt for sublimation printing machine. This felt belt is used on a rotary heat press machine and calendra sublimation machine. It is special made by heat-resistant material and it is suitable to work with high temperature. The function of this belt is to press the fabric against the printed sublimation paper and the heated oil drum. This felt belt could work at high temperatures of 290 Celsius degrees. It will shrink very little and not crack when heated by the oil drum of the roller heat press sublimation machine. Heat transfer printing belt is made of high quality 100% Nomex to withstand high temperatures. This Nomex belt can be used on the different brands of calendar sublimation machines. Let us know what calendar sublimation machine you are using, then we will recommend a suitable felt belt to your machine. If you need more info about this belt or need supports on heat press machines, feel free to contact us.